It might be 75 degrees out at the start of school, and I had classrooms that were running 80 and 85 degrees. Conversely, in the winter, we have some classrooms that are pumping cold air. I have people who bring blankets to school. Kids bring blankets to school, so they carry them around all day so that they can wrap up and be warm.
There is nowhere near enough electrical in the building. Kitchen staff wrote a grant and bought some cooking equipment, and they can't run it because it trips the circuit breakers.
And there is a lot of infrastructure that is coming to end of life.
There's original HVAC throughout the building. There's original ventilation in some of the spaces, which has clearly reached its end of life, so it's no longer working. It's no longer up to the standard codes.
One of the big things that we have a problem with is the univentilators draw direct air, cold air into the building without it being treated. And particularly on cold days, you will absolutely be able to go around and there are rooms that this heating system just can't keep up with.
We just built a new septic system, but the amount of water that is in the cistern isn't adequate for the volume when we have big events.
So people will be in the bathrooms for public events or even after lunch, and the toilets won't flush. People will run down to me and say, Mrs. Pease, the toilets aren't flushing. So I will have to go on the intercom and I will say, just give the water system about 15 minutes, folks, and it will come back on and we will be able to flush the toilets. When kids do their graduation speeches, they mention, there's a lot of great things about Potomac Valley that we'll remember. We'll remember these teachers, we'll remember this, and we'll always remember Mrs. Pease coming over the intercom and saying, don't flush the toilets right now.
The other part of this is that we are very close to the state threshold for arsenic in our water. If 0.1 is the limit, we are consistently at 0.098, and so we are definitely bumping up against that. We would like to get arsenic treatment in here to make sure that we are keeping the water as safe as possible for the students.
The district has done a really good job at organizing projects across the district that fit within the budget, fit within energy savings, and capitalizing on state rebates. This project is such a larger scale due to the age of the building, the age of the equipment, the areas that are lacking ventilation, that are lacking the proper heating, that it's too large for the district budget to handle.
You know, would it be great to have a brand new building? Yes, but we know that's not going to happen. So we just wanted to bring it up and something that the community would be proud of.
Well, we have some of the best teachers I've ever worked with in my 25-year career. They are kind, compassionate, caring people that work really hard for these kids. When I went to meet with the student council, they said, could you make the building look how the teachers make us feel?
This is emotional for me. I don't know if people understand that about me, but this is emotional. Like, I could cry right now because I not only care about the building, but I care about the people who are bringing their kids here because I know that they struggle. So how can the facility help us get our kids feeling proud about the space that they're in so that they can move forward with their future?